Hi everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. This is Anandita. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you for the wonderful response and the messages and comments that you're sending my way. I'm really happy and overwhelmed to know that the readings are resonating with you. Also, thank you so much for all the donations that you've sent my way. And I don't really take names of people who've sent me the donations. So if you would like me to take your name and give you a big shout out in my next video, please send me a private message. I'll be happy to do so. So I'm back here with another pick a card reading. This is to let you know what messages are coming from the universe to you. So any situation that you're in, relationships, career, anything that's on your mind, please think about your situation. Think about which messages you want for what particular situation and try and connect to these cards. These are three piles here. This is pile number 1, the Art of Tarot deck with the rose quartz crystal on top. This is pile number 2, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck with the green jade crystal on top. And this is pile number 3, the Rider Waite Tarot deck with the amethyst crystal on top. Please try and tap into the energies of these piles. You could also connect with the crystals. These are charged crystals. So they'll help you in connecting with these piles. Think about your situation. You could put on the video on hold. Please remember that the more you try and establish your connection with these cards, the more you try and concentrate and focus on these cards, the more accurate the reading becomes for you. Also, please remember that these are general readings, so they may or may not resonate with your situation completely. So please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. I've mentioned the timestamps in the description below. I'll see you at your pile. Let's see what messages the universe is sending out to people who've chosen pile number 1, the Art of Tarot deck. People who've chosen pile number 1, I see there's a lot of stress going on in your current situation, anything that's on your mind. And also for a lot of you, there's some kind of confusion on your mind. Certain confusions or decisions that need to be taken are, really occupying your mind, but you're not able to decide which choice to make, which decision to make. You're really overburdened, you're really stressed, something has really shaken you up for a lot of you. Maybe there could have been some kind of a relationship issue for a lot of you, wherein you're really looking at what the truth is in the relationship. Maybe there's been some kind of a backstabbing, some kind of a deception on the cards. Maybe on the career front or something, again, people have not really been honest with you, for people who've chosen pile number 1. And you're definitely waiting for some kind of a celebration or some kind of a positive thing. A lot of you are waiting for some kind of a reunion or your efforts to be fulfilled. Maybe there's some kind of a financial constraint, a financial issue that you've been wanting to sort out, but you're not getting the results. So yes, the messages from the universe, definitely, there is celebration that's coming your way in just very little time. There is a lot of new beginning for people who've chosen pile number 1. Also, the universe is guiding a lot of you for a reunion. Is like there is a reunion on the cards for people who've chosen this pile, and things can get better on the relationship front. Again, there could be a new beginning. There could be a new beginning in the current relationship as well, a reunion between you and your person. Balance is what the universe is asking you to do, and that's what the universe is guiding you to maintain a balance. Your efforts, your hard work will pay off very soon. This whole feeling of extra burden, overburden that's coming your way will soon be just faded away, and small time success, small success is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 1. So whatever you've been waiting for a new beginning, or you're wanting to get that direction from the universe, that direction is coming your way. You will be guided by the universe, by the almighty itself, to take you in the right direction, to make you choose the right, again, make the right choices, choose the right person. Whether it's a confusion on the career front, anything that's on your mind is just getting cleared very soon. I see contentment, I see a feeling of satisfaction is there on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 1 very soon. And again, I can see that your efforts on any front, you've been putting a lot of efforts, but maybe the situation wasn't coming under control. Maybe there was some kind of a, up and down feeling that you've been facing. You've been wanting to establish some kind of authority, or some momentum that you were wanting to achieve has not been really happening. So now is the time wherein things are coming under control. There is definitely a sense of victory, a feeling of success is there on the cards for you. Maximum time period is 2 months for people who've chosen pile number one, and minimum time, like I said, celebration is coming to you very soon. And a lot of, again I'm repeating, a lot of you must have put a lot of things on hold because you didn't really know how to react in that particular situation, on that, or that situation was giving you enough anxiety and stress. You didn't really know how to handle this whole thing. So 3.5 weeks from now, a lot of you will know what decisions you've taken, what is the right direction that the universe is guiding you in, and also which path you need to follow. That's what the cards are clearly showing, that this is the real path. The messages that the universe is trying to send out to you is that the universe itself will plan out the correct path for you. Just trust and believe that this plan is going to work for you. Final outcome or the solution to your issues is very soon going to be established. Take steps towards positive changes and battle the blues on your own, people who've chosen pile number one. So come out of this feeling of either being shaken. Must have been something that's really hurt you. Again, something tragic would have taken place. Like I said in the beginning, you're really anxious, you're really stressed out. So first of all, the first step for you that's coming your way, the first guidance that the universe wants to tell you is that first make your own move. Try and battle your own blues. Try and move towards positive changes on your own. Take time out for relaxation, adventure, plan a vacation for yourself, anything that makes you close to nature and leaves you away from this whole feeling of stress and anxiety that's come your way. Also, enlightenment is on the cards for people who've chosen this particular pile. You need to pursue spiritual growth. That's very important, people who've chosen this particular pile. And once you pursue spiritual growth, you yourself will get the answers that you have been looking for, and the universe will start guiding you to take the decisions. Trust your intuition. People who've chosen this particular pile, trust your intuition. Your intuition will guide you, your gut feeling will guide you, and take you forward to your goals, and will help you make decisions, people who've chosen pile number one. So I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave in your comments and feedbacks if it was. Also, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. Please stay tuned to my channel. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number two. People who've chosen pile number two, there might have been some small time success, or you would have really put in a lot of efforts in, again, relationship, some kind of work front, some business collaboration, or again at the career front, or the maybe a lot of people were involved in some kind of a venture, but you really didn't really get the results that you were expecting. You didn't really have the the success that you were waiting for, or the celebration that you really wanted to share your success with. Maybe you were successful in something, but that actual feeling of being able to celebrate with people around or share this success with was not really there for you. And it's given you small time happiness, but nothing on the bigger front. Also, I see an involvement of, again, a lot of people. Maybe there was some kind of argument, where maybe there was some kind of a confusion in the past, and you required some help from other people, but you didn't really get it. You just had this feeling of just walking away from people. You felt betrayed. So now is the time that things are going to get under control for you. That feeling of, really working hard and being overburdened has finally, the universe is now ready to give you out the fruits of your labor. You've really worked hard in this current situation, whether it's a relationship, whether it's work, whether it's finances, it could be some kind of business partnership. So now something out of the blue is coming your way, some unexpected fortune is coming your way, the results of your labor are here, and that feeling of, you've really struggled in the past, you've really worked hard, is now finally going to give you that feeling that yes, this is what I was waiting for. People who've chosen pile number 2 for financial, any financial condition, let me assure you that the universe is very positive towards your, this condition, and things are going to get very comfortable for you. People who've chosen this pile, your efforts are going to get rewarded soon. That feeling of walking away, I'm again repeating, a lot of you must have felt that your expectations have been hurt, you've been anxious, you've been stressed, you must be wanting to walk away from certain people, from certain situations, because you didn't really, know whom to actually talk about your problem or whom to actually share your success with. Anything on those lines, now is a new beginning for you. Sky is the limit for people who've chosen pile number 2. And also, there is a major change coming your way on a, like, there's a full 360-degree change coming your way on any front that's on your mind, that's bothering you. It could be a complete change on each and every situation. Maybe some people will get married, some people will have a change in relationship for the better. Maybe there's a lot of movement, there's a lot of shifting, all for the benefit. You've been waiting to shift, you've been waiting to change your house, you've been planning to, change your job, anything on those lines. A lot of balance, a lot of change is coming in your life. Peace, prosperity, health, wealth, everything is coming, for your good, for your positive new beginnings. But the only thing is that the emotional energies, the emotional turmoil, all the negativity that's coming from the past is still stuck onto you. It's still not come out. Your expectations that were hurt or that were not fulfilled in the past are still, somewhere deep down there, are still, buried. So they need to really come out. You really need to release all the tension, all the pressure that's actually bogging you down, that's not letting you move forward. So meditation is the key for people who've chosen pile number 2. Connect to your higher self, ask for answers, seek spiritual guidance, and remove the clutter, remove the negativity that's coming from the past. The past will not really take you anywhere. It's your present and your future that you really need to focus on. So please remove all this negativity and all the pent up energies that are stuck in you. You need to just remove all those. People who've chosen pile number 2, you're very close to achieving your goal. So just keep moving forward. Moonology cards are suggesting this. It's a time to rather give out rather than take. So yes, giving out all your negative emotions is what you need to do. Nothing will come out of this situation that you're dwelling in. That's what the Moonology cards are again confirming. That whatever has happened has happened. Come out of this situation, come out of this void that you actually created around yourself. That whole feeling of, being alone or walking away from the situation, walking away from the people. Try and gain positive energy, try and bring out the positivity in you. Let that energy gain momentum, let the positive energy in you gain the momentum. Believe that everything is possible, the impossible can be achieved. Don't let your past hold you back. Again, the Moonology cards are confirming what the Mystic Monday cards have just said. Do not let your past hold you back, and that's what you're doing. Your past is pulling you, in a situation that has already gone. It's just pulling you back. It's not letting you release your negative energies. It's not letting you come out of this situation, and this situation will bring nothing out of it. So you just need to alone get out of this whole situation. You're good enough. Be goal oriented. Hold your vision to what exactly you want. surrender to the divine. That's the current message for you people who've chosen pile number 2. So it's very clear from the cards that the new beginning will only happen once you allow the new beginning to take place, once you surrender to the divine and let the divine take you to the right path, without you actually bringing out your past or bringing back your past. Whatever has happened, whatever has gone, let that be. Let bygones be bygones and let things just move in the right direction. Stop dwelling in the past and stop holding yourself back. Focus on the new beginnings, focus on the positive energy that needs the momentum at the moment, and then let the universe handle your situation. People who've chosen pile number 2, I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave in your comments and feedbacks in the comments section. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings. Please stay tuned to my channel. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3. Messages from the universe coming your way. People who've chosen pile number 3, there has already been a new beginning that has taken place for you. Some kind of a negative phase has just gone by and you're ready to now take the new, you're already set for the new beginning. People who've chosen this particular pile, there might have been some kind of a new beginning on the financial front. People who've chosen this pile, maybe you've had some kind of an achievement, some kind of a success. Maybe you've just cleared some kind of an exam. For students who've chosen this particular pile, you might have got selected for some higher education, for some higher studies. Going to a new place is definitely there on the cards for you. Also, I see that if these things have not yet taken place, you're on the verge, and the next 18 days will bring a lot of positivity for you. Whatever you are waiting for is happening very soon. Again, it's already, the success has come. Whatever is due to you is coming to you, and balancing, the universe is doing the balancing act for you. People who've chosen this pile, surrender to the divine, surrender to the universe. You've done your best efforts. Maybe some of you are a little stressed about the results, some of you don't really know what's in store for you, but again, the Rider-Waite cards are very clearly confirming that you will get the best out of whatever you've put in. There might be a feeling of waiting at the moment, struggle, or I won't say struggle, but some kind of a stagnancy might have been there on the cards. Ups and downs might have been there in the past. Maybe your hard work, when you were really working hard for this situation, there was a lot of stress on your mind. But I do see success. I do see the win-win situation. I do see the fire element is in you and you're ready to achieve. You're in a very enthusiastic mode. Sorry, people who've chosen this particular pile. Also, whatever, again, I'm repeating, some efforts that have happened, you've really put in the past, made you feel a little made you feel that you were in a struggle, made you feel that you were just running without really thinking about what's actually going to come out of this situation. And now is the time when you're really thinking that, okay, what is in store for me? This is the time to relax and think what efforts you've put in, because there is celebration on the cards. People who've chosen this pile for relationships, you might have had some kind of a serious issue with your person, a fight, an argument, or something. Maybe there was something that was bogging you both down. There was some kind of a relationship responsibility issue that was going on between you both. But let me assure you that your person is here to stay, and the universe is definitely guiding you. Again, balance is here. Whatever you have given your relationship is now coming back to you. So for most of you, it's definitely a very positive phase. There's a big change coming in your life. But again, this particular pile, people who've chosen this particular pile, if in the past there has been something that's not been very positive from your end, some kind of a deed that's really not been very positive from your end, then this is the time when you might also have to face the wrath of this feeling or this act that you've done in the past, because this is the balancing act. It's time that the universe is giving back to you. For most of you, it's a positive time approaching within the next 3.5 weeks. People who've chosen this pile for family, relationships, everything on the cards is very positive for you. But people who've chosen this pile and have had some kind of a dishonest, situation in the past, or you were not really true to your efforts, you were not really true to your person, there has been some kind of confusion, then this time, the universe is giving you back the result of your own deeds. Karma is coming back to you. So like I said, these are general readings. So this particular pile, people, this is going to be something to each its own. Your deed is coming back to you. So people who've done positive deeds, people who've done real good efforts, have really put in efforts in the past, are getting superb results. Balance, make a wish and it comes true. People, universe is with you, divine is with you, energies, almighty is with you. Next 28 days for people who've chosen pile number 3, I see that the stage is being set for you, and you need to just execute your plans. You need to just put in the final outcome for for whatever you've been waiting for. A beautiful pile for people who want financial gains. Things are getting very clear for you. All the struggle, all the stress that's coming from the past is now moving towards, like, fading away and bringing you a new tomorrow. People who've chosen this pile and are in the job of, it's basically very important for your image to be very clean. This pile is for you. You get a lot of fame, you get a lot of prosperity, your image is really recognized in society. People who've chosen pile number 3, be grateful for all that you have. The card definitely represents that you will be gaining clarity of thought, and also just try and remain calm and grounded. Just because your things are going the way you want them to, or you're being rewarded by nature, does not give you the authority to just be, just lose your ground. So just stay grounded. Miracles are coming your way. Expect miracles, expect inner guidance coming your way. Also, this is a wonderful time for promotion, self growth, as well as self realization. People who've chosen this particular pile, and remember that the divine cosmic energy is here with you, and it's getting you a lot of success. It's making you go on the right path. The universe is taking you on the right path with a lot of guidance coming from your intuition, a lot of guidance coming from the higher self. You will feel very confident and energetic, people who've chosen this particular pile. And also, even the miracle cards are clearly confirming that right now these are the angels who are roaming around heaven as well as earth, which are here to help you in the balancing act of balancing the yin and yang of your life. Any issues that have been disturbing you will be soon settled or concluded. Intervention from family, friends, or a well-wisher is there on the cards for people who have, chosen pile number 3. So you'll get a lot of help on any front that you've been wanting to find out. Great spiritual growth coming your way, people who've chosen pile number 3. And also, angels are watching over you. They are here to protect you. Good news is arriving soon for people who've chosen pile number 3. So that was for you, people who chose pile number 3. I hope most of you who've chosen this pile are going to be given the balancing act by the universe in forms of good deeds itself. And please let me know if the reading was resonant with you. You could write your comments, messages, feedback if you have any. Also, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings. Thank you so much once again. Take care and stay safe.